Today we will learn about our second chapter in maths, whole numbers. In our previous chapter, we have learned about something about natural numbers and whole numbers. So, in our second chapter, we learn about whole and natural numbers, very important things. First, what is natural number? The number which is counted from 1 and started with 1 is called natural number. Now I will draw natural number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and many are the natural number line. Now, second, whole number. What is whole number? Of course, the number together with 0 or counted and started with 0 is called whole numbers. Now, I will draw whole number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. are whole number. Now, we will learn some facts about natural and whole number. First fact. You know friends, the smallest natural number is 1. And the smallest whole number, our second fact, is 0. Third. You know friends, all the natural numbers are whole number. But all the whole numbers are not natural number. Fourth, you know the largest whole number and natural number. There is no largest whole and natural number because it's infinite. Now our next topic is addition. What is addition? As we all know, to count number and add a number from any other number is called addition. So the question is how to do addition. So 4 plus 2 equals 6. There are mainly two main parts of addition. First, adding. Second, sum. These are two main parts of addition. This is also adding. Now, properties of addition. First, closure properties. If A and B are any two whole number, then the sum of A and B is also a whole number, such as A plus B equals to A plus B is whole number and the sum of these both whole number is also a whole number, such as you can suppose the value of A is 2 and value of B is 1. This is the sign of addition. So 2 plus 1 equals 3 and 3 is whole number. This is our first property of addition. Second, commutative property. If A and B are two numbers, then A plus B is equal to B plus A, such as A plus B equals to B plus A. Suppose the value of A is 2 and value of B is 3. 2 plus 3, 3 plus 2. So, 2 plus 3 is also equals to 5 and 2 plus 3 equals 5. 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. These both are equal. This is commutative property, means the second property of addition. Third, associative property. If A, B, C are three whole numbers, then A plus B equals to 7. 7 plus 2, 7, 8, 9. You are saying that 9 and 9 both are equal. This is associative property. Now our very important property of 0. If we add any whole number from 0, then the answer is number itself. So a plus 0 equals to 0 plus a. Suppose the value of a is 4. 4 plus 0 equals 0 plus 4. Answer 4 plus 0 equals to 4. 0 plus 4 also equals to 4. 4 are equal. This is the property of 0. Now our next topic is subtraction. As we all know, to subtract any number from any number is called subtraction. Now question is how to do subtraction. 4 minus 2 equals 2. So there are mainly 3 parts of subtraction. First is minuend. First is minuend. Second is subtrahend. Subtrahend. This is second part. Third part is remainder. These are the 3 main parts of subtraction. Sign of subtraction. This is the sign of subtraction. Now we will learn about properties of subtraction. First, closure property. If a and b are 2 whole number, then this difference of the a and b is also a whole number. So, first reason is if a is greater than b, then answer is a whole number. And if a and b both are equal, then answer is also a whole number. But if b is greater than a, then answer is not a whole number. Now we learn this with numbers. The value of a is 6. Value of b is 3. So 6 and 3. So 6 is greater than 3. So 6 minus 3 equals 3. And 3 is a whole number. Second condition. If 6 and 3, if 3 and 3 both are equal, then 3 minus 3 equals 0. But if the value of b means 6 is greater than value of a 3, so the answer is not a whole number. Minus 3. Minus 3 is not a whole number because it is an integer. This is our first property of subtraction. Second, commutative property. If a and b are 2 whole number, then a minus b is not equal to b minus a. Now, you can see here a minus b is not equals to, this is the sign of unequal, means not equal. A minus b is not equal to b minus a. Now, by number, the value of a is 3, value of b is 2. 3 minus 2 is not equals to 2 minus 3 because 3 minus 2 equals 1, 2 minus 3 equals minus 1, and these both are unequal. This is our second property. Third property. If a, b, c are 3 whole numbers, then a minus B, A minus B, sorry, A minus B, A minus bracket B minus C, and A minus B bracket minus C. By number we can see here the value of A is 4 minus, and the value of B is 3. The value of C is 2. So 4 minus 3 minus 2. How? First we solve the bracket. 3 minus 2 equals 1. So 4 minus 1 equals 3. Second is A minus B bracket minus C. The value of A is 4. Value of B is 3. Value of C is 2. 4 minus 3 minus 2. So 4 minus 3 equals 1. Minus 2. So 1 minus 2. How it is possible? So we minus 2 minus. So the answer is minus 1. And these both are not equal. So this is our third property, means associative. Fourth, property of 0. If we differentiate between any number with 0, then the answer is the number itself. How? A minus 0 equals A. 0 minus A? No. A minus 0 is equals 0. Sorry. A minus 0 is equal to A. You are seeing here A minus 0 equals to A. Now, fourth, inverse operation. Suppose A and B are two whole numbers. So, A minus B and equals to C. A minus B equals to C and B plus C equals to A.